Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got an absolute Christmas classic for you. This one's called Last Christmas by Wham, big hit for them way back in 1984. Do hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to drop us a like and subscribe. So if this is what you're up for, go and grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Hey, let's get straight into it. So, here we go. Let's start off with the chords. So the chords are D major. There we go, up to the screen so you can see nice and clearly. D major. Then what we're going to do, we're going to change to a B minor. Now we're very lucky with this song. It's only got 4 chords and they're played in rotation throughout the song. So B minor there. Then we've got E minor. And then we're going to move down to an A, or an A as I play it with them 3 fingers. But if you want to do that, that's perfectly fine. I'll show you how to play it playing like that. Okay, so starting off then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to play it for the beginners. This is a simplified version. It uses them 4 chords I've just shown you. But what we're going to do, we're just going to do a basic down, down, up strumming pattern. So starting with the D, it's going to go like this. D, then B minor, E minor, then to A. Now it's down, down, up 4 times, so 4 sets of down, down, up per chord. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then we change to the next chord. It's worth pointing out, for the D, we play 5 strings, 5th string down. We don't play the top E. For the B minor, we only play 4 strings. We don't play the E string and the A string. For the E minor, we play all 6 strings. And for the A, we play all 6 strings. I know I'm going to get loads of comments for that. You know, we had some of you only play 5 strings for that. There's a lot of controversy about how many strings you play, but I play all 6. The reason being is because E, the note of E, is featured in the chord of A. Okay, so there we go. So that's why I play E. If you want to not play the E string, please yourself. It's completely up to you. I know I'm going to get loads of comments for that. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about, but that's facts. E, the note of E is in the chord of A, and that's fine. Play the E string. It's no big deal. Okay, so D, B minor, E minor, A. Here we go. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. B minor, E minor, A. And you can play the whole song, sing and play the whole song like that with your friends or family at Christmas time. Completely, perfectly acceptable to play it like that. So, to move on to a more complex version, we're going to up the strum pattern to a different one. We're going to move it up to a strum pattern that goes down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay? So, let's do that again slowly. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So putting that into rhythm. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And we're going to move on. So it's going to sound like this. to do, the way we're going to play it over here is different to straight chords. What we're going to do, we're going to start with our second finger, so it's D chord, but we're going to start with our second finger off, and we're going to go down, down, up, and then we're going to put our finger back for the second down, down, up, and then we're going to take it off again for the down, up, down, and then put it back on again for the up, up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So all together it'll be. Got it? One more time. Then we're going to move on to the B minor. We're going to start with our first finger off. So we've got down, down, up, and then with it on, down, down, up, and then off again, down, up, down, and then on again, up, up, down, up. So all together. And then E minor, but we're going to start with our little finger on the second fret of the E strings, and that's going to give us okay, so on, off, down, up, down with it on, and then off with up, up, down. I do the next bit, I do an A just with these three fingers, and then what do? What I do is I slide my little finger across to the third fret of the B string and then slide it back. So go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so across, then back, across, then back. So you can do it, that's the way I do it. The way you can do it, if you want to play with them three fingers, you can just add and take away your little finger from that position. So that'll be okay, so to summarise then, all together. Then B minor. Play them four chords in rotation. So there we have it, Last Christmas by Wham, 1984. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below. Always great to hear from you. And if there's any songs you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play in another video, let me know again down in the comments section below. A big thank you to those that have liked and subscribed already. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel, which enables me to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in another video. See you soon. Bye-bye.